Kate and Bergen. We're from Wild Tales of. Welcome! Today we are in the kitchen and we are making a Valentine's Day treat for the birds. Yes, we are making heart-shaped bird feeders that Bergen is actually going to pass out for Valentine's Day to his class. So we thought we would show you this easy process that we recently learned. And here we go. First up, Bergen is going to measure a little over half a cup of water. So we are going to bring this little over half a cup of water to a boil. After that comes to a slow boil, we're going to add 2 packets of plain gelatin. Okay, now we've got all the gelatin in there. We are going to stir until it's all dissolved. So it's been a little bit tricky for us with this. It's long. So this takes a lot longer than I anticipated. I mean, it's not that long, but it does take some time for all of the gelatin to dissolve. And I've found that adding a little bit more water helps, which is why I go for a little bit more than half a cup. Now we've measured 2 cups of birdseed. This is the birdseed that we are using, and if you're interested, I'll have it linked below. Now that our gelatin is mostly dissolved, we found that even if it doesn't get all the way dissolved, it still works out just fine. I didn't mention this step when we were doing it the very first time, which explains why our pan is now a little messier. But I just wanted to mention that we let that gelatin water mixture, cool for about a minute before then adding the birdseed. Now Bergen is going to slowly add the birdseed, 2 cups of birdseed into the gelatin. Slowly. Nice.
Oh, that's enough.
Once your birdseed is nice and coated, you can kind of tell because it's nice and shiny, you are ready to pour it into your mold. What's the last step, Bergen?
We let them try for 2 hours right over here.
So we've just been setting it up right here by our window in the kitchen. Here is our several that we've been working on throughout the weeks. One is actually 100% complete with our string. So now Bergen is busy putting his Valentine's cards into these little bags where the heart bird feeders are going to go as well. And so we just made a really simple card on Canva. It's canva.com if you're not familiar with it, and it is just a place where you make easy graphics and print them out. So this says, "It's sweet having you in my class. Happy Valentine's Day." Thanks so much for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed following along as we crafted some Valentine's treats for the birds and for Bergen's class to give out to their backyard friends. And if you liked our video, make sure to hit that like button and make sure you subscribe too so you don't miss our next outdoor or travel adventure. We'll see you next time.
This is us, the dark and light.